Hi, this is Christine on Christine on the Cheap. I'm redoing my little nook that I have next to my kitchen. We redid the kitchen and it's in grays, blacks. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to match this all. Our lamp above is gray and white. That when we purchased the house, it was that way. But I like jazzy, so I had made these curtains to make it look a little bit more colorful. I have a picture on the wall, and also a clock. Now we bought the table. We had a rectangular table there, but we wanted something a little different. So this is from IKEA, and also the benches are from IKEA. The other chairs we've had for years, and they did match, so we kind of kept it. But I kind of wanted a black and gray theme for this area right now. So I'm going to redo the curtains, and I also am going to redo the benches, and probably do a little something different to try to match the wall with black or gray. Now what I did was I picked up some material at Hobby Lobby. It was at 30% off, and also some ribbon to match. I wanted to make a bows with it as well. I'm kind of thinking maybe I'm going to also use them as tabs on the curtains. I also bought for the bench seat a 1999 poly foam, which I got 40% off with their coupons. You can always go on from Hobby Lobby, you can always go on the website, and they always have 40% off, and it usually is for a week. You got to go back on after the week. So I cut that out, actually setting the bench on top of the foam so that I would get an accurate measurement. And then what I did was I used the material. I turned it inside out basically, so that I could only actually sew the corners here. And what I did here was I folded this over and folded it over here, so that it would be, this is the back of the foam, so that I could very easily pull it off rather than sewing it completely closed, so that I could wash in case anybody spills anything on the bench seat. Now this is one of the bench seat foam covers that is just laying on top of the bench seat. But so far I have one done. I still have another one to do, plus the curtains. Okay, here I am done with the first one, which was a longer window. And I kind of did something different for to put the poles through. Rather than putting it on the top or gathering it at all, I just decided I wanted something different. And basically all I did was sew everything basically around, all on the edges and things like that. So I'm going to be hanging these now, and I have to make the second set then too. Okay, here's the end result. I have both of these are done on the bench, and then I jazzed up the chairs a little bit. The cushions I had gotten at Ollie's, like for $2.99, really reasonable, or even $1.99. I can't quite remember. The ribbon was 50% off. So I didn't use material, but I used just the black checkered material. And then here is the curtains. Really turned out nice. I liked how I did the tabs. They looked better. Now here's a picture that I also put up, but it is actually a decal from the Dollar Tree that I just put it on the wall. And then I took a frame, took out the mirror, took out the matting, everything, and just kind of basically put it around the mirror, because around the same, because you could hardly see it. Let me show you how that looked. And that's all it looked like. And it really accents it more when you are actually putting the frame around it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.